Little fox.
Meet the animals. Emperor penguin. Good morning. Who are you?
I'm an emperor penguin. We're the biggest penguins in the world.
Where do you live?
Emperor penguins live in Antarctica. We live on the cold ice. We stay near water.
Do you fly?
Penguins have feathers. But we don't fly. We just swim.
You can dive, too.
Emperor penguins can dive very deep. We dive to find food. We eat fish and squid.
Do you lay eggs?
The mother penguin lays one egg. Then the father takes care of the egg.
How does the father do that?
He holds the egg on his feet. Then he doesn't eat or go anywhere. After 2 months, the egg finally hatches.
How do you stay warm?
We live in big groups. We huddle together in the cold. We take turns standing in the warmest spots. I'm ready to dive again. Goodbye!
See you later, Emperor Penguin! Meet the animals. Wild turkey. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a wild turkey. Turkeys are large birds.
Where do you live?
We live all over the world. We like forests. But we also live in swamps and grasslands.
What do you eat?
Wild turkeys like nuts, seeds, and fruits. We also eat bugs and tiny animals. We scratch the ground to find food.
You're a male turkey, right?
Right. Males are bigger than females. Our heads are very colorful. And our tails look like fans.
Can you make sounds?
Yes, male turkeys make a loud gobble sound. We are very loud sometimes.
Do you ever fly?
Wild turkeys like to walk and run. But we can fly too. At night, we fly up into trees.
I see your flock.
We like to stay in groups. That keeps us safe from enemies. Coyotes, foxes, and people hunt us. I need some sleep. Gobble, gobble!
Good night, wild turkey. Meet the animals. Ostrich. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm an ostrich. I'm the biggest bird in the world.
Where do you live?
We live in Africa. We like the savannah and the desert.
Do you have wings?
Yes, we have wings. But we can't fly. We can run very fast, though.
Your legs look strong.
Ostriches' legs are very strong. We can kick enemies with them. Our feet have sharp claws.
What do you eat?
We eat plants. We get water from them too. Sometimes we eat bugs or lizards.
Do you live in a herd?
Yes. One male ostrich is in charge. Females put all their eggs together.
Do ostriches stick their heads in the ground?
No! We just put our heads near the ground. That helps us hide from enemies. Oh! I see a lion! See you later!
Bye, ostrich!
Little fox.